Good morning, class. Today we will discuss about second lesson of your English. That is first unit, second lesson. That is the town child. So here we in this poem we view the two children views, that is the town child and the country child. So what the town child is thinking about the country, we will see first. I live in a town, in a street, it is crowded with traffic and feet. There are buses and motors and trams. I wish there were meadows and the lamps. The house all wait. Okay, I live in a town, in a street. It is crowded with traffic and feet. So here the town boy is telling that I live in a town. The town is full of traffic and the people walking by feet. It is crowded. There are buses and motors and trams. So in the town there are buses, trams and the motors, which what is meant by trams means the vehicle which take the people to somewhere and drop it somewhere. This is all about the trams. So the buses and motors and trams. I wish there were meadows and lamps. So here the child is thinking that there will be meadows and lamps, the light lamps and all. So in the second one, the houses all wait in a row. There is smoke everywhere that I go. I don't like the noises I hear. I wish there were birds very near. So here the child is saying that the houses are in a row. That is in the town there is no space between the house and a house. Row, that is in a line there are many houses and there is smoke everywhere, and because of factories and industries and all, there are smoke everywhere and there is so much of noise to hear, and I wish there were words very near. So if we talk something if we talk something, we can't able to hear the man's voice because of the mission sound and the vehicle sound and all the sounds. So here the child, I wish there were words very near. There is only one thing that I have, and that is the sky far above. There is a plenty of rooms in the blue for castles of clouds and me too. So here the boy is telling that there is one thing in the town similar to country, that is the sky and the clouds, and here he is saying that the sky is very beautiful in the country as well as town, and there is a plenty of rooms in the comparing to village, there is so much rooms and spacious rooms are present in the town only. So here the boy is saying that there is a plenty of rooms and the sky and the clouds in the town, and the boy is telling that for castles of clouds and me too, and he is saying that I am also there in the town. So this is a thinking of the town boy about the country. The poem is written by Iren Thompson. So this is all about the up to now we studied and we know about how the town child is thinking about the country. Now we will know about how the country child is thinking about the town. My home is the house near a wood. The lanes are so quiet. Oh dear, I do wish that someone lived near. Here the country boy is saying that my house is near the wood. The lanes, that is the streets, are so quiet. There is now no one in the lanes, that is street. I do wish that someone lived here. In the villages there are one house is here and there is so much space and one house is there. So the child is saying that I wish to someone should be beside my house. There is no one to play at all. The trees are so high and so tall. So the boy is saying that there is no one to play at all, and the trees are so high and so tall, and I should be lonely from hours were it not for the birds and the flowers. So here he is thinking that I should be alone for hours and hours, but the birds and flowers are not thinking at all that the flowers remain same time for the hours and hours, and on the trees the birds remain for hours and hours. But the boy is thinking that I should be in the same place alone for hours and hours. Because here I should be lonely from hours where it is not for birds, because the birds will be in one tree there are many birds, and for one plant there are many flowers. So there the birds and flowers are not lonely, but the boy is thinking that I am very lonely. I wish that I lived in a town to see all the trams going down. So here the boy is saying that I wish that I should be lived in a town, so that there will be a buses, trains, trams and all going down. So the going here and there. A twinkling street that is bright with wonderful colors at night. He is thinking that in our country there will be a full of lights. So twinkling street, he was saying that in the towns there will be a twinkling street at night. In the twinkling street is bright and colorful, he is thinking. So this is all about this poem. Here there was two boys, one country boy and one town boy. The country boy is thinking about the town, and because the town is very beautiful with all facilities and all, and the town boy is thinking about the country, that in the country there is a quiet environment and all. So this is all about this poem. The poem is about two boys. Okay, what do you like more, the country or a town? Comment me. Okay, hope you understand. Thank you.